Hello, everyone. Happy Tuesday. Gina here with your weekly market update. So last week, the markets were down slightly, anywhere from 2 to 3%. Not really a big deal. Still has not played any significant role in year-to-date performance. Also last week, the big news, as most of you know by now, the Fed surprised no one when they unanimously voted to keep the Fed funds rate unchanged. So no rate hikes were announced last week. Even with their upgraded assessment of the economy, one more rate hike is still likely between now and the end of the year. So we will have to wait and see when that gets announced. But I think it's still important to keep in mind that although this daily and weekly news is important and relevant, and obviously we pay very close attention to it, I don't know that you need to pay much close attention to it. It's hard to shift our focus away from the day-to-day and weekly news, especially with how tumultuous the last few years have been. But we really need to start training ourselves to take a little bit of a step back and a view of the market and try to keep that long-term perspective in mind. And one of the graphs that I have been using lately to do this is just the S&P 500 and taking a look at if we were to just start drawing a line of the direction the market was headed on average leading into COVID, if we didn't have that big drop and that massive overcompensation rally, if we had just kept our trajectory going, where would we be? Well, guess what, guys? We'd be right about where we should be. And so I just want you all to keep in mind that the long-term strategy and the long-term approach is still very important. And we remain optimistic that things are leveling out and really trending in a long-term positive direction. So of course, we're paying attention to everything that's happening on a myopic level. The macro perspective remains very important. And if that changes, we'll let you know. And as always, if you have any questions or concerns, please reach out. If not, we will talk to you next Tuesday. Bye.